Hello guys, this is just a short little video about how to make a WordPress blog. It's super easy. You can do it in just a few steps. In 5 minutes before you know it, you'll have a blog all to your own. First thing you have to do, this is an online blog. It's a hosted blog, which is super easy. You don't have to download any software. It's all online. So you go to this website. This is nl.wordpress.com, but you can just go to wordpress.com, and you can switch it to English really easily. Don't worry. Just first of all, think of a name. I made up one already. Sand is really cool. I can make sand is super fun, and the name for your blog will now be sandissuperfun.wordpress.com, and then you press here website. Oops, I'm having internet issues again. Okay, sorry about that. Hopefully you won't have internet issues like I just did. But it takes you to this site, and look, hey presto, you can change it to English even if it says originally in Dutch. See, it's now in English, everything's in English, no problems. Email address, you have to come up with an email address. I used my Avance one. There you go, Avance. See, it's already registered, so I can log in. Otherwise, you have to think of a username, a password, use the same name here. You know what? I can just think of, let's see. I mean, you don't need help with this too much, I don't think. So you have, so you can log in. This is super easy. Anyway, so now I'm logging in because I'm already registered. Have to remember if which password I used. That's always handy. Okay. So, like I said, I want to make my blog to be sand is super fun. WordPress.com and call it that. Obviously now with spaces and capitalizations. Sand is super fun! Exclamation and exclamation exclamation. Viewable to everybody. Yeah, you can if you're really super enthusiastic, you can buy it. But again, like I said, this is for free. So just click on Create Blog. It'll take just a second. See, aha! Look, it's mine! Hurrah! So I can visit my dashboard, which is the place you want to go whenever you want to add a blog to your announcement to your blog or change functionalities. And this is where you'll go to your blog. Now the blog, believe it or not, is already there. If you want to, you can, let's see, view it. So we can go there directly. So sand is superfun.wordpress.com, and there you go. My website's there. Now that's really boring. Obviously, there's no posts. There's there's nothing else. It's just a title. So you go back to the dashboard. We can do all sorts of things. We can make a new post. So post, add new post. My computer's is very slow today. Sorry about that. There you go. So new post. This is my first post. Yay! There you go. And then underneath that you can say blah blah blah. I'm having fun. Blah blah blah. Sand is super fun. There you go. You can add media, so if you have pictures, you can add pictures. You could, if you wanted to, you could add location. Um, for now, I guess, why not? Let's add a picture. So you can just click on Select Files. This will go um, to your computer. Let's see. I don't have any pictures. That's a problem. Wait a second. I must have something. Let's see. There we go. Look at this. A fantastic picture of me on the Game of Thrones throne. Yeah. It will upload it and insert into post. Yeah. Uh-oh. Something went wrong. I have a feeling it's because of my internet connection is not so hot. I'll fix that later. I just want to go ahead and show you that once you've added your post, and hopefully this picture will eventually work. It's you can save it, obviously, but the saving it doesn't publish it. Uh, but it's, oh, there you go. There's the picture. It's up now. Such a nerd. I am really a nerd. But once you've done, you can just publish it, and it goes immediately to the website. And I've just created in like 3 minutes, despite the fact that my internet's really bad, uh, and I, you know, didn't even think about it too much. I have a blog. This is the blog. It's still really boring. The more you put in, the better it gets. So, and you can do that by just going back to the dashboard. Remember, the dashboard's the place where you add all the stuff. So go to Sand is Super Fun, dashboard, and you go back to the dashboard. Yeah, anytime you want. You can add more posts by going Posts, Add New. You can look at your posts. Right now, that's not like super interesting because I've only made one. You can add pages. So right now I just have one page. I have home and I have about. Yeah. So home is the post that I made, and about you about is about, you know, what this whole blog is about and how to reply if you want. You can change either of these. You can also add a new page by clicking Add New. And for example, here I have home, about, but what if I were sharing this blog with more people in my group? So you can create a page that goes along here with different people's names. So let's call this one Nathan's page. You know, this is the page that Nathan will use. Ta-ta! Save draft. Always nice to save. And if I wanted, I could add more or not. Add pictures, add videos, all sorts of things you can add. And publish it to the website, the blog now. And now, if I've done this correctly, hit F5 to, there you go. So now I have another page, Nathan's page. This is the page that Nathan will use. And you can add, if I was in a group with Raphael, you could have one called Raphael's page, and then Kaiva has Kaiva page, Luana's page, etc., etc., etc. Again, this is still really boring. It's just white. It's really boring. So you can customize the appearances here. The easiest by far to make a nice website without having to change, to worry too much about design, because there's lots of nice design ones for free. Some of them you have to pay for. So for example, this one's 125 euros. A little bit pricey. I wouldn't choose that one. Let's see. Ooh, Healthy Living. That sounds like a nice one. Or Goran. See, this one, oh, it's $69 euros. It's kind of pricey. Oh, I like this one's. It's kind of boring, but I like simple. Simple's good. Sometimes, my taste. Sometimes it can be too much design. So simple is good. Now I now have a theme. If I go back to my web page and refresh, cross your fingers, I should have look a theme, and I'm already. Hey presto! I've been doing this now for just a few minutes, and it's already taking shape.